Wow, my hair is so high today, I didn't realize it. Hello! Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be playing with a ton of new makeup from Rare Beauty. It is part of the Stay Vulnerable collection. I've got two of each thing here. I've got the cream blush, I've got the liquid eyeshadows, and I've got the lip glosses as well. So we're going to be putting them to the test and see what's what. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We are doing a lot of fun reels and posts and stuff over there, so it's a lot of fun. And yeah, if you do follow me, thank you so much. And also please be sure to subscribe and click the like button because it actually really does help the channel quite a lot. But with that being said, let's jump on into the video. So if you may notice, I do have a little bit of makeup already on my face. My hair is so high. I don't know what happened, but anyways, I do have a little bit of makeup on my face today already because we are going to be trying out these new products from Rare Beauty. These are the second that I saw these drop on Sephora, I bought them so fast. I actually want to get more colors, but I got two colors that I knew that I would really like. So I have two of the cream blushes right here. Look at this packaging, you guys. Oh my god. It's like a little pebble. It's so cute. And then here's what the actual blush looks like. It looks so freaking cool. Look at that. This one is nearly apricot and this one is nearly neutral. So here is what this one looks like. It's a bit more of like a mauve-y kind of color, really pretty. And then I also have two shades of the Balm as well. So I have the nearly apricot and nearly neutral because I wanted to try both of them. And then I also have the liquid eyeshadows as well in the same colors. I probably should not have done my eyelashes already. I didn't think about that. I forgot that I was gonna be putting eyeshadow on, but c'est la vie. Okay, so I do want to try each color on each eye or each thing just in general. So I want to try one side with the nearly apricot, all the nearly apricot stuff, and then I want to do the other side with the nearly neutral side. So I do want to go ahead and pop on some blush. For that I usually use, this is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection number 7 brush. I'm actually gonna go ahead and go into this one called Nearly Apricot. I do want to go ahead and swatch both of them for you just so you can see what they look like. This one is the Nearly Apricot. It's a little bit more orangey, and this one is the Nearly Neutral. So you can definitely see the difference, but they are very sheer colors. I'm gonna take a Nearly Apricot right here and we're gonna put it on this side. So this is my right side. I am going to, ooh, it does pick up. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh. I love that color so much. Okay, so now I'm going to kind of clean off my brush a little bit here, and I'm gonna go into the Nearly Neutral and I'm gonna put it on the left side of my face. This one is a bit more pinky. Oh, you can tell a difference. I didn't think you'd be able to tell too much of a difference because I thought that it would kind of like sheer out enough to where they would actually end up kind of being the same color, but you can totally tell a difference. This one is the Nearly Apricot and you can tell because it has a little bit more orangey, and this one is a little more pink for the Nearly Neutral. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love the formula on these. I feel like I'm a commercial for Rare Beauty right now, but genuinely, these are great so far. It's a very nice formula. It blends super well. It just like, it just works. You know how some cream blushes or just some products in general, you have to, you feel like you have to work with them a little too much for them to look good, but no, this just looked incredible as soon as I put it on. So I'm really into that. So here's the two blushes. Which one do you like the best? Next, I'm gonna go into the liquid eyeshadows, and I kind of wish I hadn't already done my eyelashes. I totally forgot that I was doing eyeshadow, but we'll try to make it work. And then again, we're gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna do Nearly Apricot on this side and Nearly Neutral on this side. The little packaging on this one is so cute too. Look at this. Look at this. and then it has like a flat bottom. It's really cute packaging. Okay, and it has a little doe foot like this. I actually do quite like these doe foots that are a tiny bit angled, so that one should be really easy to apply. And then if I do eyeshadows like this, I usually just use my finger because they remind me of the Glossy Sky Paints, and whenever I use those, I usually just use my finger anyways. And I love eyeshadow looks like this, where it's just like a one and done eyeshadow look. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. I swear, this is not sponsored, this is not anything. I bought these with my own money like the second they got released. This is so pretty, you guys. And if you did like the lip, the blush, and the eye, you would have a full-on monochromatic look and it would just be so pretty. This is so nice. It just blended so well, and I didn't blend the edges up here as much as I normally would because I actually kind of like the look, especially when you're using products like this. I like the look of like messily blended, you know, you didn't have time, you just packed it on with your finger and, you know, and left. So I love that. Now we're gonna do a nearly neutral on this side. I have no words. And I swear, you guys, I'm not trying to be biased. I like Selena Gomez, but like I've actually never been too much of like a hardcore fan of hers. Like I like some of her music, I like some of her shows and stuff, but like I've never been like a hardcore Selena Gomez fan. I'm trying to be as non-biased as I can be, but guys, this stuff is just fantastic. This is insane. So don't think that I'm just giving this a great review because I love Selena Gomez. That's not the case. I like her just fine. She seems like a very, very sweet and caring person, but I still really, really love this. It's so pretty, and you can tell a difference. There's not like a crazy difference, but you can 100% tell this one is more brown toned, more neutral and warm toned, and this one is more apricot-y, kind of orangey, stuff like that. I should have got two like strikingly different colors. Like I should have got like this one and like pink or something, or this one and the berry one, you know, I should have got like actual different colors. But I just got the ones that I felt like I would actually use the most. So that's these. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and try these. Now, I'm not gonna do half of my lips one color and then half of my lips the other color. I'm just gonna do one and then take it off and then do the other one. So which one shall I do first? Well, I've been doing the Nearly Apricot first for everyone, so let's do this one. This is the Nearly Apricot Balm, and it's made in Canada. How cool is that? And it has that same kind of packaging that has like a flat butt to it. Super cute. My lips are so dry. Ooh, this is a cool little wand. I like that. Wow. Oh my gosh. You guys, again, I'm not just saying this. This is the best feeling lip gloss I've ever felt, ever. It is so smooth. It is so hydrating. It's so smooth. It's super thick, but it's not goopy or sticky or anything. Wow. This is the Nearly Apricot, as you can tell. Oh my god, it's so nice. I love it. I love it so much. Does it have a smell? I can't really smell stuff. I can't really smell anything, but it might have a smell to it. Okay, next, let's try this one. So these are both fantastic. This one is the Nearly Neutral. You can see that right there. They're both great. They're both amazing. They don't have that much color to them, if you can see. Let me see if I can kind of swatch it for you here. So here is the Nearly Neutral, and this one is the Nearly Apricot. Super duper sheer, which obviously I knew was going to be a thing. Like I knew that was going to happen because this is the entire purpose of this collection, the Stay Vulnerable collection. It is meant to be a bit sheer. It's meant to be kind of like your skin but better kind of thing, so I'm totally into it. This is great. As for color, I actually think I prefer the Nearly Apricot for my lips just a little bit more right now. Maybe it's because I'm wearing pink and the Nearly Apricot one just reminds me a little more of like an orange kind of peaky situation. I actually think for right now that I might put the Nearly Apricot back on, but whenever I do just like a full look with the Nearly Neutral, hello, you best believe I'm wearing this one. And again, the formula on that one, they're the same formula, so they have no difference. They are so comfortable, and I've taken them off twice. So I used this one first originally, then I wiped that one off, used the Nearly Neutral, and now I've wiped that one off, so I'm gonna put this one back on. My lips just feel so hydrated. They feel so happy. There we go. But obviously you can wear this by itself and just have kind of like it's really nice. It makes your lips, it's not a plumping gloss, I don't think at least, but it kind of gives your lips that illusion that it's like a little more fuller, a little more plump, a little more, you know? I don't know, but it's really, really great. The formula is fantastic. Literally all these formulas are so good, and I really freaking like them. I have a feeling that this is gonna be like my go-to makeup stuff in the summertime, because this just reminds me so much of like a dewy summer look, you know. I'm so excited. I love these, if you couldn't already tell. But yeah, here's the completed look. I've got everything else done. The only thing I haven't put on is highlight, but you know, whatever. But yeah, you guys, that's my review, my first impression on the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable collection. If you have tried anything from this collection, what are your thoughts? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Please let me know in the comments, because I would love to know that. But I did hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!